Question number 34 is a rhetoric question or an argument building question, and specifically it talks about transitions. Here, the underlined phrase is in broad terms. So you can see that transitions from what they were talking about to a definition or a big picture, because it says philosophy is the study of meaning and the values underlying thought and behavior. So here, the correct answer is no change, and also partially because you can eliminate all the other three. For example, would introduce an example or a particular. In contrast, would introduce a counterexample or a change in direction. And nevertheless would also mark contrast or change in direction. So really, you don't have those things. What you really have in highlighted in blue is a definition. And so in broad terms, can introduce a definition. Although I will say that when I chose answer A, I was a little nervous because it was the third no change in a row. Statistically, if you look at grammar sections and writing sections, no change comes up about 25% of the time, which is, it's A, B, C, or D, so answer A will be the correct answer 25% of the time. But if you're choosing no change more often than that, then you want to make sure you're double checking. I often go back and double check no change answers simply because they're designed to catch people who miss stuff. So if you're choosing no change too often, then that could be a problem. And that was kind of like a red flag to me. Oh my gosh, 3 no changes in a row? I better double check it. Often I know people will put no change on their double check list irregardless. They want to double check no change answers every time. And so that it can be something that you do if you have extra time at the end of the writing section.